Well, in the previous session, we learned how to use flow direction in the screen. Today we want to take a look at a scatter vector. A scatter vector is a vector which basically stretches your structure in certain direction. Note that there is a possibility to have two scatter vectors. If you want your structure to be stretched one part in the right side, for example, and another part in the up side, you can do it. You can easily define two different vectors, and between those areas gradually shifts and elongates with these vectors. But now let's have a very quick one here, and the magnitude of 2.5 should be enough. Selecting the envelope and click on OK. So we have already added here. There we go. Compute and OK. Now we can wait for the results to be how our structure is stretched. Notice if you allocate only one vector and to the whole structure, it will be spread to the whole structure. But if you allocate two to different parts, then you will have two different. Okay, the calculation is over. And now we can have a look at the effect of a scatter vector on our shape. So there we go. Here is the structure, and as you see, it is completely stretched in the x direction as we want it to. This is the effect of a scatter vector if you want some anisotropy in your structure. See you in the next lesson.